Okay, I'm reloaded.
YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, listen, man. Listen. Right now, y'all been asking for it. I've been getting hundreds of messages from y'all every single day, man. Y'all want another pocket option video. Y'all want to see a strategy. Y'all want to know how I'm out here making this bread. So I'm going to show y'all. But before we get into that, what I need you to do, because I'm about to put you on some bread, what I need you to do, for one, I need you to subscribe. Like, what's really good with you, son? If you're not subscribed already, click subscribe. What's up? If you already on the wave, man, go ahead and drop the waves in the comment section right now, man. Like the video right now. I'm not even gonna start till you like this video. And these niggas think I'm playing. I ain't playing, son. Like the video right now, man. For real, I'm dead ass right now.
Do it! Just do it!
I bet, appreciate it. Yo, I got a main channel, I got a gaming channel, I got a vlog channel, I got a reaction channel. Subscribe to all of them. If you want my personal help when it comes to this, I do have an organization called the Bridge CEO. We have hundreds of people worldwide. I got people, of course, all around the United States, Texas. I got people in Arizona, Virginia, Florida, New York, literally everywhere. I have a whole team out in London. Like, it don't matter where you are in the world, man. We are a worldwide thing. If you're interested in that, you want some real help, some personal help, click the first link in my bio, in the description. I don't know why I always say the bio, but click the link in the description. I can put you on, we could work together, and we could really get this bread, because my team, we really be out here eating. But I'm gonna be quiet, I'm gonna share my screen, and I'm gonna show y'all a little something. You feel me? All right, here we go. All right, so as you can see, I'm on pocket option right now. This is a demo account just because, like, I mean, come on, son. Like, I'm not about to show you my real account for what? You feel me? The same shit that's happening on a live account, same shit that happened on a demo account. So I'm gonna show y'all a little something. I never did a video like this, so excuse me if it's a little bit weird, but hey, fuck it. So first and foremost, if you look at the top left, you see how it says OTC. Pretty much it is Saturday right now, so the market is closed. So pretty much what OTC means is over the counter. So it's kind of like, this right here isn't really like the real market. So it's like, instead of you trading against the market, you're kind of trading against the broker. So like, I mean, the odds are already against you when you trade in general, but with this right here, my nigga, the odds are really against you. All right. Now, when it comes to teaching this, I'm gonna just show y'all what it is that I do. You know, I see a lot of people on here. You know, I see a lot of people on YouTube giving strategies and showing strategies, and they be having 50 freaking indicators, and it's like, yo, that should be confusing to me. I know it gotta be confusing to y'all. For me, I don't use any indicators, but I'm gonna just show y'all a little strategy. Now, as you can see, it's not really a strategy. I'm gonna show you how to read price. All right, now as you can see, pretty much the bars or price has just been going up and down. You know, this right here is called consolidation. So I'm gonna just put these lines right here. I like to trade price action. What price action is like, you're trading what's happening on the chart. So I'm gonna just take the time down to 15 seconds because it's like, fuck it. All right. So rule number one when it comes to trading, like, you never want to rush a trade. All right, now this, I guess you can kind of say this is some kind of support and resistance. I'm probably gonna take like 1 or 2 trades for y'all. But what I want to happen, I want this right here to break somewhere. You know, once it makes some kind of move, then I'll be able to make a decision on what to do next, or like, I can make a decision on where it's gonna go. But there's hundreds, thousands of people right now who's trying to trade in between this range, and these niggas is just losing money because they don't understand what's going on. I'm on a 1 minute chart, so each candle that you see represents 1 minute in time. So as you can see, like, it went up to this line and it just went back into the range. So like, there's people who bought right here because they thought it was gonna go up once it hit this area, and it just dropped down. You know, and this guy, you got people who buying it right now because they think it's gonna go up, and that shit probably just gonna go down. You know, but rule number one, you never want to rush a trade. You want the market to show you what you want to see before you actually get into that trade. So like I said, I already drew these lines. You know, the reason why I don't use indicators is because, for one, indicators lag a lot. I'm not gonna say indicators don't do anything, but your best bet when it comes to learning this is to learn how to read price. All right, so I'm probably just gonna take 1 or 2 trades. All right, so as you can see, this candle's gonna close in about 9 seconds. After it closes, I wanted to come up to this line and then drop, but since it's still in this range, it's probably just gonna go back up into this range. There's hundreds of people probably selling it right now at this exact moment, so that's probably why it's gonna go back up. So on this next candle is about 50 seconds. It's probably gonna close around here. So I probably should buy it, but I'm not going to. Matter of fact, I am gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it right now. I just got into a trade for 15 seconds. It put me in twice. As you can see, we got 10 seconds left. We're gonna zoom in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, man. You feel me? That's 300, 330, 600 right there in front of your face. You know? Now it's not doing what I wanted it to do. I'm gonna kind of explain why I just got into that trade. So as you can see, I kind of got in right here at this line. I don't even know if this is making sense to y'all, but it hit the low of this previous candle, and I figured once it hit that low that it was gonna have some kind of resistance, and that's exactly what happened, or some kind of support, and that's exactly what happened. So it went up. So it's still low-key in this range. The bad thing is that when you are trading, you know, a lot of people tend to get zoomed into the chart just like this, so it seems like, oh, it's going up, oh no, it's going down, oh, it's going up and it's going down. But when you zoom out, you can see like, yo, it's really just going sideways. But we're just gonna keep waiting. We're just gonna keep seeing what's happening. But it is dropping right now, but it's not dropping the way that I really wanted to drop. But we're just gonna see. I'm gonna fix my lines. I know you're thinking like, bro, you just drawing these lines and you're not really like teaching us nothing. My bad, man, my bad. Yo, join my team, man. I really teach you. So it's definitely gonna come down here. All right, yeah, so it definitely went down. I should have sold it, but I kind of saw that too late because I was talking to y'all, man, trying to help y'all. So what I'm expecting to happen in 55 seconds, I feel like it's gonna come up to this line and then it's gonna continue to drop. But I'm not gonna get into this trade until it comes up to this line. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna just wait for it. We gonna wait together. All right, so about 40 seconds. This right here is how you trade price action. Some people call this support and resistance. I guess you can say this is like a form of support and resistance, but yeah, it is what it is. So it's about 30 seconds left and it's still dropping. So I guess it's not gonna come up to my line. It's not gonna come up to where I wanted it to go, but it's all good, man. This right here is just a trade that you can't really say, oh yeah, we missed the trade, but we didn't miss it because it didn't give us what we wanted. You know, like missing trades because the market isn't showing you what you want to see, that's perfectly fine. You know, you never want to force the market because that right there is how you lose all your money. All right, but I'm gonna keep this line right here just because it still is a very important level, because it's a this right here is called like a double bottom. All right, so you see I got my next line right here. I feel like it's gonna come up to this and then it's gonna continue to drop. If it doesn't do it within like the next 10 seconds, I'm not gonna get in. All right, it's getting closer, it's getting closer. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 3, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here it come, here it come. Oh, we in, we in, we in. Oh shit. All right, we got 10 seconds left. Damn. All right, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. All right, so we lost that trade. All right, we lost that trade right there. But damn, you see how it's, okay, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. All right, so what I'm gonna do, if it doesn't close above, see, it's still dropping. I'm gonna get in one more time. And when I get in, come on, jump up a little bit more. I want it to come up to that line again. Once it comes to the line again, I'm gonna get in that bitch again. Ooh, we in, baby, let's go. 10 seconds, I'm in these trades for 15 seconds. All right, now if I lose this trade, I am done for the night. If I win this trade, I'm done for the night. 2, 1, give me. Did we win? Oh, let's go. Yeah, we won that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So we won that trade, man. pretty much, I just took, what, 3 trades for y'all. So that right there, was that 3? What was that? All right, I took 4 trades for y'all. I'm 3-1. As you can see, 1,800 times 3 is, I don't know, minus 1,000. I don't know, man. I'm not about to sit here and do the math. Oh, okay, so I came up $1,400, and that was in a matter of this. I've been recording for 11 minutes. All right, so that's pretty much it. I know I didn't really like teach anything. I know this is a demo account, but at the end of the day, the same thing that happens on a demo account is the same thing that happened on a real account. Now, this situation just is a little bit different just because it is OTC. OTC is over the counter, so you're not trading the actual market. You're more so trading against the broker. So you already got a disadvantage against the market. You definitely got a disadvantage with the broker. But if you're still looking at a chart, it is continuing to drop. We could have continued to get in more trades, but it's all good. You know, a big thing when it comes to trading is fear and greed. People lose a lot of money because they are scared. They miss out on a lot of money because they are scared. People lose a lot of money because these niggas be greedy. Y'all are greedy. That's why y'all lose, you know? So I hope y'all got some kind of value from this. I'm gonna make more videos, you know, whatever y'all want to see in the comments, definitely, you know, leave some comments down below. And at the end of the day, y'all already know how it goes. Like I said, if you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family, click like right now. If you want some real help, this right here is a real skill that can help you in life in general. Like, yo, that's 14, that's a band. That's a band in a matter of 10 minutes. How long does it take you to make $100? Yeah, this is demo, but if this was live, it would have been live. Like, I literally did this shit right in front of y'all. I walked y'all through it. I pretty much explained why I got into these trades, even though I didn't do a real good job explaining it. But at the end of the day, you know, this is just the first video, first of many. And if you want real mentorship, if you want real help, if you want to work with my team, if you want to get started with trading, click the second link in my bio and you can get started with trading today for free. You can come to this and you can practice for free with a demo account, just like how I just did for y'all. All right, so you already know how I go, man. Here at the Bridge CEO, that's a wrong outro. That's a wrong outro, man. That's my team outro right there. But hey, man, stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, cause waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk on what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.